we empower brands seeking evolution in life. From small businesses to innovators embracing the intelligence of tomorrow.
Fikaweb empowers the dreamers of Montreal, local businesses, growing brands, and teams ready to evolve through intelligent design.
We turn insight into impact, building intelligent websites, AI-driven videos, and immersive experiences that accelerate growth.
Analysis, strategy, creation. Every step flows through Intelligence Probe and ends in thoughtful design.
Our strength comes from technology, creativity, and the expertise that powers every project we deliver.
Connected to creators, platforms, and partners, we build a network that amplifies every brand we touch. Through consulting, creation, and long-term support portraits, we build intelligent relationships that drive sustainable growth.